So we're trying. Oh, I can draw with it too. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think the artist I'm referencing, what's their name again? They mentioned it in the comments. Taran Fiddler. I think I have his page open, ArtStation page. So I may review his work as well, along with Dan Mora. But let me just draw this Venom guy. Ooh, freaking. Wait, what's it? Stroke is 6. I'll do the same for the other brush. D. Stroke. We'll just say 6. Kawaii. Onegaishimasu. Onegai. What? There you go. Oh, this guy's huge freaking traps. Okay. So it actually goes to a point kind of like this. We'll hit E to erase. Where the frick is this? Uh-oh. It's kind of like this. Next, the mouth. Man, the teeth. There's a lot of freaking teeth. How do you draw the freaking tongue? I don't need to draw the individual teeth actually. I can just draw the gums. And then I can paint. There's just the teeth after. Oh, I'm so smart. Okay, I think that's. Oh, let me just draw the. Oh, damn, this guy's freaking buff. By the way, in the Venom movie, there was a. I'm not sure if it's Venom 1, Venom 2. Basically, when he was in the club dancing, apparently it was kind of a thirst trap because the size difference kind of turned a lot of women on. So, oh, size really does matter, huh? I mean, yeah, the height. I mean, yeah, the muscles, but also the height. Like, he's super tall. Such a large figured thing. Yeah. I can... This can be like my whole series of videos for the art sessions. And then for the rest of the week, I can just focus on, you know, my actual practice sessions. You know, personal studies. Because, you know, I want to do some other membership stuff as well. But anyway, in terms of videos, I think this is good. This is good. Okay. What I'm gonna do is make a new layer. Maybe I'll put that below. You know what? No, I'll put it above, but I'll put it at multiply. And I want to add like a... I want to add like a base. You know what? We'll add a bit of color. Just a bit of blue. A dark blue. Or purple. Something like that. You know what? We'll use a different brush. This guy. Same brush. Shape. Just a different... Yeah, I'm not sure why the brush is lagging. I'm guessing the file is too big. Oh shit! 1920 by 10,000? Oh, it's too big. It's too big. Come on. Yeah, let's just erase some parts here. Make it... You know what? I'm gonna put this... I'll just make it normal. But I'm gonna put you under the line work. Make a new layer again. Add some white or some a lighter kind of like it. Oh, just wanted to try some strokes. Sorry for that. Okay, and then we'll make the mouth a little. It looks like it's just all gum and tongue, but we can make the teeth appear instead of drawing like the outline of the teeth. We can just use a brush stroke to do that instead. Let's use E. Right, not a bad Venom. Blah blah. Yeah, I'm gonna draw on top now. Oh, did I add the shadows first? On top of the line work, I'm gonna make it into multiply. B, hit this. You know what? We'll go for a more... I think it's too dark. Reduce the opacity maybe. Can we get? This artist has a decent amount of knowledge when it comes to anatomy. So I'm gonna have to review the guy. Dad about that. Make another layer. I'll clip it. I'll hit G. We'll make it multiply. Wait, what's my shortcut for gradient? Do they have like... I know in Photoshop they have like a radial gradient, right? Guess they don't have it here. Oh, no, wrong layer. Oh, let me just Control Alt G. I want to put you over here. Control Alt G. I want to affect the flat or the base color. I'll hit gradient again. Like this. What in the... Oh, it's the line work. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Really? Wait, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Hey, found you. I'll make a new layer. Make it a clipping layer. Change the effect to like a... Maybe a color dodge or something. We'll see. How about overlay? We'll use a red, pink. Oh, retro Venom. I think it's kind of weird. I will hit Control U. Change the hue. Do like the pink version. Like this. Or the magenta. Is it magenta? Yeah, we'll leave it. You know what? We'll leave it like that. Name's Venom. I'm trying to do his voice, but I can't. Shadows. I think they help add a bit of volume. I'll make a new layer on top of all of that. I'm out of coffee. Let me just drink some water because I'm so dehydrated. Wait, let me just zoom out. This is not a bad session, guys. Like for 3 hours. We're closing in on 3 hours now. You can do a decent amount of work. I actually expected I would be able to do more within 3 hours, but because you know I have like high expectations and stuff like that. But this is like real life stuff, so now I know that for 3 hours, maybe under that, I can only do this amount of drawings or paintings. About like 6-ish, plus minus. So now I have like a reference point. Time to draw the freaking oh, where's Venom? Oh, I should show you the reference. There you go. I'm gonna hit Control Alt Up, Control Beep. Is that it? There you go. That's my reference. So I'm gonna be reviewing this artist eventually. Oh, look at that! So buff. Yeah. You know, I'm not gonna fall into the trap of copying, and I think this is something I've been comfortable with. Learning to stray away a bit from the reference, even if it's just a little bit. I want to build up that comfort. Brush. I'm gonna hit like, what is it, yellow? It's kind of like a yellow. I'm gonna use that as like a base, or these brushes as a base that I can like adjust. Alright, I'll make a new layer and I'm gonna clip that to the layer below. I'm gonna pick a darker color and then do this. Oh, so it only affects the actual teeth. Yeah. Now for the tongue, I think at this point we can start painting on top of everything. How about that? Go back to this brush. Maybe it's because I have so many layers. Well, that's why it's kind of lagging a bit. I don't know. Wait, I want an accent color a bit. You know, we'll add some greens maybe. You know, some science, like an aqua blue or something, just to add it somewhere. Add like a mid color of some kind. Brush or wrong tool. So now I'm essentially gonna be painting over the line work. The line sketch. Not bad. Is this like a highlight? There's like a highlight there for some reason. I want to do this. Yeah, maybe it's not bad. I'll make it darker in some parts. I don't know. Maybe a little more bluish. Yeah, by adding these like super dark areas, it's not technically black, but it's kind of close there. It kind of gives it more of this graphic look, like comic look. A bit of a highlight there. Yeah, there's like a lighting here, but it's not too saturated. It's kind of like a gray. Let's make a lighter value, kind of like this, to help define the edge. Oh, I'll pick this color a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, it's not accurate, but it's good enough. You know, it gets the point across. Make it a little like more wet. Is that possible? A little bit. Adding these like highlights, it looks a little more wet or something. I don't know. Yeah, saliva. I'm gonna have saliva. And notice how I'm not even that zoomed in. Darker a little bit. I think the brush is kind of small. Let's make it bigger to save time. So many light sources actually. Is it the most accurate? No, but I think I'm kind of getting something from this. You know, some experience. Oh, look at that. Artist. Burst. Too bad it's not too freaking bird. Sharper. Oh no. Yeah, clean up its silhouette. Technically it's 2 hours and 56 minutes, so I have 4 minutes left. And I'm kind of not burned out, but I'm kind of you know what, let's fix it with the teeth. The tongue couldn't use some work, but I think I want to spend some time on the teeth. Let's just sharpen some of these. I want to pick this light value. Ooh, let's just add more saliva. Am I doing too much? Not really. I mean, he is kind of a slimy guy. Make it lighter. Like a highlight. Oh. Really make sure you can see that. Oh, slimy there. Oh, disgusting freaking guy. Blech. Let's make the brush a little bigger. Yeah, I think I overdid it. There's like a lot of slime here. Maybe it's dripping on his chest. Okay, this looks a little too much. But you know, maybe it's kind of horny. Kind of, you know. Oh, yeah, I know. Okay, how about that for Venom? What do you guys think? I think it's freaking awesome. I don't wanna. This is a bit too much. This part over here. Yep. So that's it for this episode.